we got a quick update. We got the Baja here all sanded down to bare metal. All the way around, all the door jambs, the dash, everything. We got sanded down. I cut the nose off this thing so that we can put the Baja front piece on there, the nose piece. Still got to do a little more cutting right here to make that line up right and pull this in a little bit. But we did get all of this one here done. That's down in here. Got a little bit more there. We cut the back of the thing off. Got it all ready. Make sure all that was done. So when we get back from, we're going to be gone on vacation for a couple of weeks, or I will be, to the Keys doing some fishing, and then to Tybee Island to do some fishing. So we'll be gone a couple of weeks. And when we come back, we're going to chalk the top on it and try to get that part done. But this is where we are right now. So it's not too bad. So we'll be ready to hit it when we get back. Have a good day. See ya.